Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This video is not about any app description or app hacking. This video is for only of unboxing. Yes friends, today we will give the unboxing of the Bluetooth speaker of the Phillips model number BT4200. So first we will see what are the net contents, what is the price, then we will unbox this super Philips Bluetooth speaker. So here we get one speaker, one cable stereo and one cable USB for the charging. Here the price of this BT4200 Bluetooth speaker is only 3499 rupees. Uh, this speaker is very good. I have just checked their reviews in the online. So let's unbox this wireless speaker, portable speaker. So first of all, here we get one speaker. We will keep it aside. Here we get user manual. What are these buttons for? And here we get and finally here we get one USB that we will connect to our normal charger, and this for the Bluetooth speaker. Here again we will get the aux wire, one for the Bluetooth speaker and one for the mobile. After that we will just check the Bluetooth speaker. Wow, the shape of the speaker is too good. I like the shape. Here we get the volume keys, and here we get pause or play button. After that we here get on off button. Here we get the aux wire where we will connect it, and one in the mobile. And after that here we get the charging portion. Here we chin, and in here after that we just on the speaker by moving this button. One beep sound will come. After that we will connect it in the mobile. I have just connected to BT4200 Bluetooth speaker. The sound quality is very good. Now we will just play one song on it. The bass of the speaker is too good, means it is just vibrating here. Now I will tell that these two indicators for this is one for the charging indicator. Yeah, here orange light came. If the orange light has been gone, means it is fully charged. This is the Bluetooth indicator. After all, we will just take it bass on the YouTube. I will just play one video. It is full of bass. This one.
Warning, heavy bass test by different Kevin. 3, 2, 1. maximum bass activated.
Means it is just it has it's mini bass, so my camera has been fallen down. It has full bass. It is just vibrating. See, the speaker is just moving from one place to another place. The table is just vibrating. I'm just pausing the audio. Okay, if you like this video, then please subscribe my channel and just press the like button and share. If you can, you can buy this speaker. This is it is portable speaker, means you can handle it anywhere. You can in the trip where you can go. It has the full sound. I will just check one audio again. It is just vibrating, man.
Bitch told me get the fuck back. Said she wanna count a mill and come the fuck back. Said she wanna take my brain and kindly cut the shit in half. Light brown bitch, still she off the fucking map. Claiming that they want it. My bitch, she really flawless. I'm still a fucking novice. Still I stay so fucking modest. Damn. Flame after flame after flame. This ain't.
Okay, this has very great sound and in full the sound. You can connect to the mobile, laptop, your iOS device also. Uh, in this Bluetooth speaker, you will get very good sound. The it has impressive sound, advanced audio performance. It has anti-clipping function for loud distortion free music. It is very simple for the in use because it is wireless and it can easily connect to the Bluetooth. It is designed for grab and go, means you can just grab it by one hand only. It has the rechargeable battery for the music playback anywhere. You can go anywhere. So if you like this video, then please like my video and thank you for watching.